insane. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Back again on the V4R. Today's video is definitely going to be an exciting one. If you guys can't tell from this Lambo right here, I'm getting a little too excited. I need to calm down. I was out with the boys. You guys saw the reveal of the V4J on the last video, and my helmet is foggy AF. Give me 1 second. I need to see. So yeah, in the last video I rode with some friends, went to Ducati Newport Beach, saw the V4J, and I told you guys that they were announcing it at Lamborghini. So Lamborghini, pretty much the dealership, is hosting a big meet, and it was freezing and we didn't think it's gonna be that like entertaining, so we decided to go home, call it a night, especially because my GoPro died. And that's what I did. I went home, just dropped the bike off, took the car and went there, and as soon as I got there I saw there's DDEs there, there's a bunch of hypercars, insane supercars, so we're pretty much taking the V4R there, because why not? I feel like the V4R belongs there. Chill Tesla, I'm kind of lost. Can you direct me? I forgot where it is. I have no idea where I'm going. I think it's here. I was gonna take the H2 and kind of like H2 crashing Lamborghini meet, but there's a bunch of cops over there, so I didn't want to take the chance. Plus, since it's the reveal for the Superleggera V4J, figured it's more appropriate to just take like my beautiful V4R, and this is the first official V4R meet, so people are running back and forth. As I said, there's cops here. Jesus, did I come at the wrong time or right time? Just casual as VJ, that's exactly what I was saying. Everyone's running behind it. I'm just gonna try to go through. I don't even know. Thank you. Damn, that SVJ is loud. Look at this, guys. Hypercars. There's a Koenigsegg in here. Well, I guess the cops don't really care. I should have brought the H2. Appreciate it, man. I just got it like 2 weeks ago. Yeah.
Before that, like, what you like?
I have an H2.
Oh, really? Oh,
yeah.
You have a YouTube channel, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I came in the car, but then I saw all of this. I was like, shit, I gotta get the bike. I saw the cops, so I was like, dang, maybe I shouldn't bring the H2, but I guess they don't care from that SVJ. I got you, 1 sec. There you go. Yes, sir.
Are you gonna go bring the H2?
Probably not. Yeah, probably not, because I already did this whole trip and all that. But yeah, the cops don't care. Everyone's driving. I should have brought the H2. It's okay.
Beautiful.
It's V4's first meet. I gotta show you guys some of the cars here. It's insane. Like a GTR. Wait, this is not actually an Nismo. I thought it was an Nismo. Look at this. The DDE cards. Wild. How you doing, man?
Where's the H2 at?
I brought the V4. I saw the cops. I thought they're gonna be strict about exhaust laws, but everyone's revving. I guess I should have brought the H2. Yeah, I got the V4.
Oh, it looks good.
Thank you, man. Mercy. This is beautiful. The wheels. It looks really good in person. If I saw this in pictures, I'd probably be like, nah, it looks like too many colors, but in person, those wheels look amazing. Aventador is like for days, just everywhere. So many crazy cars. Yeah, I came here, as I said, in the car, and I was like, damn, I gotta show you guys this stuff. I gotta take one of my bikes here. Look at that forged carbon, half like forged carbon Huracan. That's insane. And then the hypercar. Insane. Oh, that's a 765. I didn't even realize. That was sick. How are you doing, man? SVJ, STO. Oh my god. Just realized that this is an STO. Another SVJ, another STO. God damn. Bar 34. Well, I don't even know what this is, but we gotta go film. These cars are leaving. What? It was a Porsche? That sounded like that. Bro, the cops are literally right there. What? I guess the cops are chilling. Some loud Porsches though, for sure. 765s for days. Yeah, I don't even know what this is. What even? What the? What is going on here? Oh, beautiful R34. Saline S7. And then you have a casual McLaren GTRs. Sketch going through these cars. Oh, what a beautiful STO. And if you guys didn't see in the last video, you're seeing it right now. The $130,000 or $140,000 V4J. Gorgeous bike next to some hypercar. I don't even know what this. I'm a Lambo guy and I don't even know what this is. Look at this little spaceship. Alright, I can't miss all these cars driving, so I guess we're going out again. What the hell? They're like full-on spaceship race. Even spaceships don't look that crazy. That's a loud car. Gee. Oh my god, here we go again. Here we go again.
Really good looking bike, I love it.
Thank you so much.
Good car, dude?
Yeah, man.
Congrats.
Yeah, thank you.
Drive safe, dude.
We'll try. It's a girl driving this car. The crowd just following the V12. Wow. Another base V4. Not bad. I think that's an R1. Older gen. Oh. Okay. Okay there. That's a beautiful GTR. The blue with the carbon body. Nice, really nice kit. He has a race harness and everything. God damn.
What's up, man?
How are you doing?
Love your bike, dude.
Thank you, thank you. That is a pretty young guy driving the 720. Jeez. Totally ruining the shot for everyone. Sick. How you doing?
Get the shot, get the shot.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do.
Number 2, bro.
The other people are getting more content than I am with my bike. Gee, there's a big crowd over there. Oh, that's DDE. That's why there's a massive crowd.
I have a Ducati too, but I have a Scrambler.
Still a Ducati.
Hey, you want to hop on real quick?
All right. Thank you. That's a loud V10. Holy. Ducati's getting way more attention over here. Ah, DDE's right there. There are 2 new cars. Let me know in the comments if there's any DDE fans over here.
I never revved one ever.
Of course, man.
Thank you, man.
You too.
Hold it over there. Take a picture with it.
Sure?
Yeah. Just park it like right up next to
All right.
it. It's basically a Ducati car.
Yeah. What, the exhaust?
Yeah.
No, I'm changing it very soon. This is stock.
I love the bike.
Oh, yeah, the bike, totally.
Kidding?
Huh? Yeah, about 2 weeks ago.
Fucking awesome.
Yeah, I crashed one of them like 4 months ago.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and this, getting back to it again.
The that's what I mean. So I was a bike designer with Honda like years and years, like when I first started my career.
Yeah.
But that's basically what this is, like a Panigale
Yeah.
supercar. You know?
Yeah, it looks insane. When I pulled in, I was like, what even is this? It looks insane.
Cool.
Yeah.
Be safe, man. Crash.
We'll try, not again.
Cheers, man.
Oh, it needs an exhaust so bad. Soon, boys, soon. Thank you. Really chill cops. Was a pretty lit meet. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I did it for the content. I know you guys would have loved to see this, so I was there in the car, went back home, got the bike for you guys, got the content. It was exciting, fun meeting a lot of you guys too. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please smash the like, subscribe, support the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out and ride safe.